For this video, we are showing the wiring for the various types of electrical circuit. Number 1 is the lighting circuit. MCB with the current rating of 6 ampere is used in this circuit. This circuit also needs a single pole switch and a bulb. Cable with a size of 1.5 millimeters square is used within this circuit. The connection shown is one point of light controlled by a one-way switch. This is a connection for the lighting circuit that is usually made for residential homes. Apart from using one-way switches, lighting circuit wiring can also be done using two-way switches and intermediate switches. Number 2 is the fan circuit. MCB with a current rating of 6 ampere is used in this circuit. A single pole switch, a regulator, and a fan needed in this circuit. Cable with a size of 1.5 millimeters square is used within this circuit. A single pole switch is used to turn the fan on and off. The fan regulator is used to control the fan rotation speed. The usual connection is from the MCB to the one-way switch, and then to the fan regulator before finally connecting it to the fan. For fans that use remote control, a fan regulator is not needed because this regulator is already included in the fan. Number 3 is the radial outlet socket circuit. MCB with a current rating of 20 ampere is used in this circuit. 2 units of socket outlet with a current rating of 13 ampere used in this circuit. Cable with a size of 2.5 millimeters square is used within this circuit. The 2 outlet socket units are connected in parallel to each other, and the connection will end at the second outlet socket. The maximum value of the outlet socket when connected radially is only 2 units. If it is necessary to use more than 2 outlet sockets, a new circuit must be created using a new MCB. Number 4 is the ring outlet socket circuit. MCB with a current rating of 32 ampere is used in this circuit. 6 units of socket outlet with a current rating of 13 ampere used in this circuit. Cable with a size of 2.5 millimeters square is used within this circuit. The 6 outlet socket units are connected in parallel to each other, and the last outlet socket are connected back to the main supply. This connection will form a loop where the cable coming out of the supply source will return to the supply source and not just stop at the last outlet socket. By making this ring connection, the number of outlet sockets in one circuit can be increased to a maximum of 6 units. The advantage of using this ring connection is that if one cable breaks, the other outlet socket can still be used. This is because the ring connection has formed too powerful current to flow in the circuit. The disadvantage of this ring circuit is that the number of cables used will increase. This is because the cables need to be pulled back to the supply source at the end of the circuit. Due to the increased use of cables, material costs will increase. However, ring circuit connections are the best choice for wiring that involves the use of many outlet sockets. The number of MCBs can be reduced even though the number of cables used increases. Number 5 is the air conditioning circuit under 3 horsepower. MCB with a current rating of 20 ampere is used in this circuit. A double pole switch and a 13 ampere socket outlet needed in this circuit. Cable with a size of 4 mm square is used within this circuit. The double pole switch used is usually equipped with an indicator light. For the selection of installed outlet sockets can be equipped with a switch or without a switch. The usual connection is from the power supply to the double pole switch and then finally connecting to the 18 ampere outlet socket. This circuit is also known as a general power circuit. This circuit is a separate circuit and no other circuit can ride on or be connected to this circuit.